Good day, guy. My name is Jesotech. If it's the first time of watching my video, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you. If you look at our previous lesson, we talk about heading and paragraphs. Today's class, we're talking about text editing. Text editing is the process of changing the appearance of text to make it more attractive. Let's look at some of the examples. Let's look at some of the examples. How do we put text in HTML? We use big tag. All right. Let's look at another examples. In Tally. How to make a text tally? You use tag I. Let's look at another example. How to underline text? What is the tag to underline text? Is you. When you want to underline text, you use you. Use you tag. What do you want to underline? Let's look at more examples. Example number 4. Let's mark text. You want to mark text? You use mark. Let's look at another one. Then we'll check our results. How to delete text. Deleted text, right? You use GL. See? Let's see if it worked. And go to our results. This is our result. The first one is to bold our text. The second one is to interlay. The third one is, this is my shop to underline and to mark our text and to delete text. You stroke it. Why you are seeing it bold is because you use H1. H1. That is why you see all these texts are bold. Alright? So, this is what text formatting does. Thank you for watching. Watch out for our next video. Goodbye.